What's up, family? It's about time. Getting rid of these rims and putting the. I'll let you see it. You probably saw the thumbnail. I got all my rims in here, 3 tires and 1 tire in the trunk. It's tight. I had to put some cloth in it so it won't, scratch up the rims or whatever. So I'm sticking with the 275s. Oh yeah. Got this one in the back. And I'm putting 5mm spacers on it. And then I got these 275s on. So it's gonna rub if I don't put these spacers on it. That should be alright. About to leave and get somebody to put these on for me. You right? I got these wheels done. Check them out. Check these wheels out. I forgot to bring my black load nut, so they had to get their own load nut. I'm gonna change it out though. Oh my gosh. And these the Widebody rims. Oh, yeah. They took forever. I forgot to bring my black lug nuts. I'm about to change that out though. Get it black. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. I'm gonna wash it up and show y'all later. Alright. Yeah, it's the final results on the rims. 275 tires. Got some more mods coming. I gotta get them 5-inch tips. I saw my man SRT Stevo on Instagram. He got them 5-inch tips. Them things is loud and they sound nice. They look nice. Gotta get them. Got them. But yeah, Great Thunder looking good. Looking good. Got the mud flaps, ZL1s. Oh yeah. If you didn't see this video, how I put that on, go watch it. It's easy, real easy. But them rims, I got the power stop brakes and rotors. Them little nuts, I might put my black ones on. I think I'm gonna put my black ones on. And I got 5-inch spacers, because these are replicas. The Widebody 2020 Widebody replicas. And they're 20 by 9. So that's why I did them 5-inch spacers. Give it a little bit of room. But them power stops, woo! That's right. But yeah, got another mod on the way, man.